I am about to embark on a hot, wet, lubricated journey. Wish me all luck. Wish all me luck. Wish me all. Everybody wish me luck. Because it's gonna be a wild ride and it might be messy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's not as bad as I thought it'd be. And on your 2011 Honda Civic Si, there's a aluminum washer that you're gonna want to replace, which the dealership gave me. They gave me 5 quarts of oil, filter, and the washer for $28. I really enjoy that price, especially in this day and age. The spoils of VTEC, or should, oh gosh, oil's coming everywhere. Or should I say the byproduct of VTEC. So I have a new least favorite thing about oil changes. To get this aluminum washer off the drain plug, I had to put the drain plug in the ratchet, you know, against the tightening side, and then put a pair of channel locks on this old aluminum washer and then twist it off like this. And then I had to be all worried about, you know, damaging the threads of the drain plug. And now this sucker finally comes off. And it took a little bit of time. I'm glad when I was working at a Ford dealership that, you know, none of the cars had the aluminum washer that could possibly get stuck on the drain plug. We just had a drain plug and we put it in. We didn't over tighten it, and then we didn't or well, at least I didn't under tighten it, and everything was cool. But I guess when you got an aluminum oil pan like on this SI, you gotta have things like that. But it's cool, I got it, so we'll move on. Hey, I found the filter. But now I need 2 hands to get it off, so I can't film right now, so bye. Turns out I only needed 1 hand. But wow, this is a tight space. And there's only one area you can reach into to take out the filter. And it's right above the axle. And then the oil from the filter, once you start loosening it, drips all over the axle boot. Yay! And then all over the subframe, inside and out. So we got some cleaning to do, and always make sure you don't double gasket. So thankfully the old gasket came off with this filter, and then we'll put the new one on. No issue, no thing, man. This is my favorite part. Once you get it on, it's just a spinny boy. Then you just tighten it, man. That's it. There's nothing to it. Hey, don't let me forget to tighten the drain plug to 35 foot-pounds of foot-pounds of torque. Let me look it up. Don't forget to let me know about that one. Okay, this is what the internet said, so we're gonna find out. It says, hold down the select reset button, and maybe it'll reset my oil life. Maybe. Oh, we have flashing. I haven't let go of the button yet. Maybe I now have to, I let go and I'm gonna push the button out again. Give me 100. I think I got it. Now I'm gonna cycle back through. Man, 56 degrees out in December? It's so crazy, man. 100%. Now when you reset the oil life, that means that you have fresh oil, right? No?